Hey guys, I've got a Nokia 2780 flip. Nice phone. I used it for about a month and then started getting this error where upon flipping the phone shut, it would vibrate like so and then restart. So you'd see this KaiOS logo, followed by the Nokia logo and the classic the phone would just restart. So it was usually triggered by flipping it. It would also happen when I maybe just set the phone down a little rough. Then I realized it's actually a battery issue. Okay, so here, I took the back off my phone. Right there where the pins make contact, there's actually a little bit of play. The battery doesn't sit nice and snug in the phone. So if I were to come up here where this little indent is, that gap sometimes is enough to trigger a restart on your phone. If you flip your phone, the impact of that flip is enough to open this gap up, or rather close the gap, and you lose contact with these three pins down here, triggering a quick restart of your phone. Easy fix. Take some paper, like a cardstock, and some scissors. Let's see. A little piece of paper, fold it. And what you're trying to do is just, and we're gonna get the paper just wedged right in there in the top so that it holds the battery towards the pins and reduces that play. There. Just try that out. Yeah, try that out. That should fix your problem. If it doesn't, put a little more paper in there.